Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Cyclone Tiffany made its second landfall just south of Groote Island earlier today, and that's the end of Tiffany. Around here, the weather's pretty lacklustre, apart from the inconvenient humidity. Not completely sunny or dry, but close enough for most of us in the days ahead. 27 degrees atop at Toowoomba Airport today after a low this morning of 15. That's more or less average for mid-January, with most other stations on the Downs having a similar trend. Looking at the satellite loop now, it stands out pretty clearly, ex-Cyclone Tiffany, which is now a tropical low. It crossed the coast today on the eastern side of the Northern Territory coastline, just sort of scraped below Groote Island. And there it is quickly diminishing as it continues to move west. There's still an active monsoon, though, across far north Queensland where heavy rain's been falling. But the moment you go south of the monsoon, it clears up pretty quickly. A few storms out at Western Queensland as well. Let's look at today's chart. It's the western trough here that's causing those storms. Some of them have been quite severe, a long way away from us, of course. Along the east coast, we've got a fairly permanent ridge of high pressure. It comes from a combination of this high, which is now moving under Tasmania, and Cyclone Cody in the Tasman Sea. Not only is it keeping conditions quite mild, it's also throwing out a decent swell. On tomorrow's chart, that swell becomes hazardous along Fraser and southern coast beaches. Everywhere else is the same. A lot less rain in the tropical north, and for the outlook chart, we start getting northerlies. The wind drops right off and temperatures start rising inland. And the latest from the bomb now. The Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. A fine and sunny day. 32 the top for Dalby, Gundawindi 34 degrees, 27 for Toowoomba, 29 at Warwick. And for the southeast coast, it's a hazardous surf warning first up, but only a 20% chance of a shower. Gatton 30 degrees, 31 for Ipswich, Brisbane 29. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, mostly dry for the week ahead with part sun, part cloud, but a rising chance of showers or thunderstorms from the weekend as temperatures start trending upward. For Warwick, again, we do have a little bit of a pulse of storm activity around Sunday into Monday. That'll pass, though. Temperatures dropping by Wednesday. And for Dalby, again, a slightly increased chance of rainfall late in the weekend. Temperatures rising to 38 and dropping to 31. A quick midweek happy snap. This one's from Debbie Gostello, taken near Dunk Island last week. The colours you see are called cloud iridescence, an effect similar to the rainbow pattern from thin films of oil on the road during rain. Except it's caused by thin clouds rather than oil spills. Thanks, Debbie, and thank you all. Now it's back to you, Joe.
Great, thanks. News.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.